So whenever we go into a new skill, the first thing that we always do is we look at the impact profile. This is actually a new logic that we've crafted to bring all these different skills like running ads, copywriting, design, landing pages, but also sales funnel strategy, all under one roof, under the same roof of one holistic and reliable framework for digital entrepreneurship. And this is what we've done here. So if you imagine yourself like the next couple of videos, this is basically one whole course, one whole masterclass that we're going through here. And imagine this masterclass would give you 50 points towards your knowledge and skill in the different business areas. If you remember, and if you have watched the whole holistic business framework first, this is very important that you know this. You know these 6 areas: product, brand, content, traffic, conversion, CLTV. This is basically these 6 areas that determine about digital business success. And the different skills have different specialities and different strengths. So what the sales funnel strategist does is he provides a business with a better and just more optimized areas in the business areas that you can see here. So it's mainly a skill that helps businesses optimize their conversion. That's why if we have 50 points to distribute, you would get 20 points into conversion. You get 15 points into traffic, you get 10 points towards content, and 5 points into increasing the CLTV. This 50-point logic is a very deep thing that we've developed. You could also look at it with different points. You could say, hey, okay, if like look at the number of blue dots that we have here, if this is basically 10 dots that we distribute, and you get 0 into product, 0 into brand, 2 into content, 3 into traffic, and 4 into conversion, and 1 into CLTV, and 1 dot equals 5 points according to the logic that we've developed. So what this means is, if I go ahead and I transfer all my sales funnel strategy knowledge to you, the sales funnel strategies that we've used to generate well over 50 million euros in digital revenue, sometimes helping businesses scale from 0 to 8 figures in a couple of years through one really good sales funnel strategy. If I give you all that knowledge, it will only help you achieve financial success, and it will only help you in the growth of your businesses if the other areas are already good. The logic says you cannot become successful with a business, you cannot scale and grow a business even with the best sales funnel strategy when, for example, the product is just not suited for it, or the brand lacks trust, or you have CLTV issues. Then you can be the best sales funnel strategist ever, you just won't make success and growth and profits happen. So if you're going to become a sales funnel strategist, your role and your main objective would be to complement yourself with other team members that have mastered the other areas. For example, you want to make sure that if you're providing really nice sales funnel strategies, if you build these funnels, build these pages, that you do that for well-optimized products, well-optimized brands, for businesses that have high CLTV, and you see that content and traffic is like halfway optimized. So you need some other people as well to do the content, to run proper ads, to do all that really, really good, while you provide the sales funnel strategy. Also, this specific skill is fairly advanced. I developed the deep knowledge of sales funnel strategy after I had deeply mastered Facebook ads, after I had deeply mastered Google ads, after I had deeply mastered sales psychology and conversion optimization and copywriting. And once I had mastered these things over years and spent millions running and testing different ads and like mastering Facebook ads and Google ads super, super deeply, only then was I able to deeply master the sales funnel strategy skill itself. And what I see a lot is that very amateur marketers provide strategies and provide funnels to businesses that just don't work because they have missed a lot of things. Like, for example, they're working with a flawed product, or they just don't know what they're doing, or they just don't understand the deep mechanics of how algorithms work, how the performance marketing channels work, how psychology works. Like, this takes time. And I'm very proud that I now know that sales strategy is my core skill and that's my most valuable asset. And so let's just get right into it and start with the deep content.